this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and welcome to Saturday Morning Garden Tour with Grandma Sandy. She is our host of this wonderful collaboration, and I'm happy to join her. Remember, I'm in Ohio, and Ohio has been, well, pray for your girls in Ohio and Michigan. We have been experiencing unnormally cold. So that's not very good for us gardeners. It's been in the low 40s. Some of us still have our furnaces turned on and are still running our furnaces at night, and some of us even running wood stoves at night. That's how cold it's been. So of course our peppers and tomatoes and our garden is not happy with this situation. Our strawberries are later than normal. My tomatoes and peppers are smaller and not growing as well. So it's been a sad gardening year so far, and hope it warms up soon because things just aren't doing well. But that is the situation here in Ohio for gardening. I don't have my furnace on, but I do have my extra blanket still on the bed, and my dogs come in the morning froze. So this isn't normal. We've not had this cold of weather this late into the season. It's June and we're still getting 40-degree nights. I hope it straightens up soon because my peppers and tomatoes are just not happy little campers out there. But here is my garden. Here's our garden. We have beautiful potatoes and broccoli started.
This is our broccoli growing.
And
it's doing good.
As you can see, our potatoes is starting to bloom there. Won't be long. And we got some potatoes here also in the bag. We're seeing which way we like them better.
Okay.
We have both bush beans, both wax beans and Blue Lake bush beans.
Okay.
And those two raised beds.
Coming up too.
We also have some tiny sweet corn Thad threw in there.
What do you call it?
He's got tons of sweet corn all over the place, and he also has potatoes. He's got more potatoes and corn to plant and green beans.
If I can get up.
That's our strawberries.
I'll come over on the
Our
other
strawberries
side.
is in bloom, and they have little berries, but some have little berries, but they're not ripe yet. It'll be a few more weeks.
And wax beans.
Hopefully, maybe the 1st of July we'll have some strawberries. Right now, we've had 10 salads out of the greens that he's planted in this garden.
Here,
and we also have some green onions. That's about all we've had. The nights has been really slowing us down here in Ohio because it's only been about 40 degrees at night. It's been very cold, which is not normal. And our tomatoes and our peppers are not liking it at all.
I'm going to walk around here real quick. These are potatoes.
There's our bags.
Doing excellent.
We planted.
I got more I got to plant. Okay.
Our compost. Here's our peppers. We got green peppers and jalapenos. And as you can see, they're not doing real well because it's been just too cold for them. We're hoping that it warms up pretty soon and the peppers and tomatoes get to looking better.
But sweet melons are not doing good. Let me come over here.
There's some more of our tomatoes.
This is some tomatoes. They're starting to take off.
We had just watered right before this video was taken.
Okay.
We have a pretty good sized garden. Here's our strawberries.
These are strawberries.
They were loaded with blooms. Now we're just waiting for.
And
we have some little berries in there.
I would show you more of
our
spinach and lettuce, but I just.
There's some more of our tomatoes.
Okay, and over here we got peppers.
We raised the hybrid red tomatoes, and we also raised some stripy tomatoes, yellow and reds. This is our bearded iris. We have a ton of these. We actually just listed some on the marketplace to see if somebody wants some cheap starts. We got yellow roses. This is our rhododendron, purple rhododendron. And yellow irises, we listed a start of this too because we're trying to thin them down a little. Here's our red roses. And this is our beautiful pink rose in the front of our house. That is our garden tour.